Alright. Right there is Lenape Hall. Right there is Sycamore, Suites, which I believe had its ribbon cutting ceremony today. But these are the elevators at pardon me. Right there's a TV lounge. And there's a computer lab. These are the elevators at Hawthorn Suites, East Stroudsburg University, East Stroudsburg, Pennsylvania. They're Schindler, HT vandal resistant. That you can sort of see into the shaft on this one. Let's call it. I'm gonna send this one down. Actually. There goes that one. Now watch this. Here it comes. Let's try that again. There's the Braille, an area of refuge. B. Actually, 1. Because I have a little surprise for you. There's the Schindler logo. Capacity is 4,500 pounds. Now, we are going to get a soda out of the vending machine. I believe this is the communal kitchen for the first floor. This is the main lounge. I think I'm gonna get a sweet tea out of here. There it comes. I also think I'm gonna get some chili cheese Fritos. Actually, scratch that. Now we're gonna take the elevators back up. Which one will we get? Oh, we got the same one. You can see right into the shaft. Let's go back up to 4. Door closed doesn't work. Cab view. Capacity is 4,500 pounds. Can barely feel it moving at first. The button went out. Send that to B. 5 might be luck, but watch this. See it coming up. There goes that one, and here's this one. And that's it.